So, good evening, sir. This is my system. First, this is my code, both the billing statement. So, here's the design, HTML, and CSS. And then my register booking, HTML, called Dinagat Tourism. And then here's how to install and to run this code. First is we're going to enter in a PIP environment using this pip code, and then installing pipe environment, and then pipe shell, also the Django, and then the localhost or server by putting pi manage the pi run server to 8080 to, and then click the localhost number, and then here's my code, the system that I made. First, going to input a name, for example, Janril. Then origin is from San Bunawan, and then day island hopping. Example, choose store A, 1 day island hopping, and then full rate male, uh, sample 5, and then male 5, and then half rate 10, and then total free is 5. Then we're going to put the date from and to, sample June 8, 2024, um, to June 10 to 2024, and then submit, and then here's the record. So total tour date is June 8, 2024, and booking name is general, and then also total payable is 10,500, and then the action, all delete option. And then if we're going to see the details, the booking details, just click this hover button, sample general. Okay, so here's the record, and okay, so we're going to back, just click back, and then we're going to delete the record. You can delete it. Okay, so that's all the functions, and then we're going to back the registration billing, guest registration. Just go back here, and this is all these functions, options is functional and functioning. Oh, um, that's all, sir. So God bless and thank you.